One of the most important aspects of quality of a digital display is the uniformity of perception. Based on luminance measurements, the evaluation of uniformity is therefore important not only in terms of technical measurements like minimum and maximum luminance, but a rating with respect to the visual perception is also required. Keeping this in consideration, the German automotive OEM Workgroup display created a standardized uniformity measurement procedure called the BlackMURA evaluation. The visual perception of display is a complex procedure. The human eye has the ability to image a scene and evaluate not only the brightness but also the spatial change of the brightness, depending on different surrounding conditions. The human eye is more sensitive towards a stepwise change in luminance rather than a continuous change. This can be demonstrated with the help of a simple example. In the first version, a luminance change of only 5% has been created using a step in the middle of the display. Being in a step, this change can be easily seen and is found to be disturbing. On the other hand, in the second version, a luminance change of even 10% is much less disturbing as it is created in a continuous form. After summarizing different evaluations, a so-called contrast sensitivity function can be evaluated. According to Manos in 1974, as it is shown here in the diagram, for different spatial frequencies, the sensitivity of the human visual system to recognize a contrast changes. It is referred to as the contrast sensitivity function. To develop an evaluation procedure for the BlackMURA standard, a group of people were asked to rate the non-uniformity in several displays on the basis of the de Boer scale, that is to say, from unbearable to unnoticeable. Using the observer results and the analysis of luminance image evaluation based on the contrast sensitivity function, as well as a simple approximation using least square, the estimation of luminance gradient show that there is a positive relationship between the observer ratings and the technical measurements using the gradient evaluation. Keeping the information regarding human contrast sensitivity perception in mind, the BlackMURA standard will be explained in the following part.